Hello friends, today we are guiding you to prepare interview questions on Azure Resource Manager. In comments you can share the topic of your interest. Our team will prepare the video for you. Before continue to our session, we request you to join our channel for all the latest updates. Our team of technical and subject matter experts are working hard to create valuable content just for you. So please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like and comment on our videos, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. What are resource groups, and how do they help in managing Azure resources? Resource groups in Azure are logical containers that allow users to organize and manage related Azure resources. Each resource group holds resources that share a common life cycle, such as virtual machines, storage accounts, and databases. Resource groups provide several benefits for managing Azure resources. Organization. By grouping related resources together, resource groups make it easier to manage, monitor, and maintain resources. For example, you can group all resources for a specific application or environment, improving clarity and reducing complexity. Access control. Resource groups integrate with role-based access control, RBAC, enabling administrators to define permissions at the resource group level. This ensures that only authorized users can access or modify the resources within a group, enhancing security. Resource deployment. ARM templates enable you to deploy resources to a specific resource group, ensuring that resources are provisioned consistently and in the correct order. This simplifies automation and infrastructure management. Lifecycle management. When a resource group is deleted, all resources within it are also deleted, making it easier to clean up environments or manage resource life cycles. This is especially useful in development or testing environments. In summary, resource groups simplify the management of Azure resources by providing a structured, secure, and scalable way to organize and control them. Explain the concept of ARM's declarative versus imperative models. Azure Resource Manager, ARM, uses two different approaches for managing resources, declarative and imperative models. Understanding the difference between these models is essential for effective resource management in Azure. Declarative model. In the declarative model, you describe what you want to achieve, without specifying how to achieve it. You define the desired state of your infrastructure, for example, which resources you want, their configuration, and relationships, in an ARM template, typically written in JSON. Azure then handles the deployment process, provisioning resources in the correct order and ensuring they match the defined state. This model is typically used in infrastructure as code, IAC, where users can consistently deploy resources across different environments. The declarative approach is more efficient because it focuses on the end result and allows Azure to manage the process. Imperative model. In contrast, the imperative model involves specifying a sequence of actions or steps to create or modify resources. You define how the resources should be provisioned or updated. This is more of a procedural approach where you explicitly instruct Azure to take certain actions. While the imperative model gives more control over the deployment process, it is more error-prone and less scalable compared to the declarative model. In summary, declarative focuses on the final state, while imperative focuses on the actions to get there. ARM's declarative model simplifies deployment and management by letting Azure handle the process. What is the default location for a resource group, and can you change it later? When you create a resource group in Azure, you must specify a location, which refers to the Azure region where the resource group will reside. However, it's important to note that the resource group itself does not have resources stored in a specific location. The location you select for the resource group is mainly for management purposes and applies to the metadata of the resource group. Default location. There is no default location for a resource group. During the creation process, you must select an Azure region, for example, East US, West Europe, etc. The region is chosen based on your geographical or regulatory needs for your resources. However, the resource group itself doesn't store any resources, so it's more about managing and organizing your resources effectively. Changing the location. Once a resource group is created, you cannot change its location directly. This is because the location is associated with the metadata and management plane of the resource group. If you need to change the location of a resource group, you must move the resources within it to a new resource group located in the desired region. You can do this by creating a new resource group in the desired location, or by moving the resources to that group. Moving resources between resource groups and regions may have some limitations, depending on the resource type. What are the advantages of using Azure Resource Manager for resource deployment and management? Azure Resource Manager, ARM, offers several advantages for resource deployment and management, making it a vital tool for Azure users. Centralized management. ARM provides a unified management platform for all Azure resources. Through the Azure portal, CLI, or PowerShell, users can manage and organize resources in a consistent and streamlined manner. This centralization simplifies resource monitoring, troubleshooting, and updates. Declarative deployment with ARM templates. ARM allows the use of ARM templates, which are JSON files that define the infrastructure and configuration of resources. These templates support infrastructure as code, IAC, ensuring consistent, repeatable, and automated deployments, reducing human error. Resource grouping. ARM introduces the concept of resource groups, enabling users to logically group resources based on their life cycle. This makes it easier to manage, monitor, and apply access control policies across related resources. Role-based access control, RBAC. ARM integrates with Azure's back, allowing granular access permissions at the resource group or individual resource level. This enhances security and ensures that only authorized users can manage or access specific resources. Improved scalability and flexibility. ARM supports a wide variety of Azure services, offering flexibility for scaling applications. It also allows users to manage complex infrastructures with more advanced features like dependencies, tags, and automated workflows. In summary, ARM improves efficiency, automation, security, and organization, making resource management more scalable and reliable in Azure. How would you create a new resource group using the Azure portal, CLI, or PowerShell? To create a new resource group in Azure, you can use the Azure portal, Azure CLI, or Azure PowerShell. Below are the steps for each method. Azure portal. Log into the Azure portal. In the left-hand menu, click on Resource Groups. Click on +Add at the top. In the name field, enter the name for your new resource group. Select the region, Azure region, where the resource group will be located. Click Review + Create, review your settings, and then click Create. Azure CLI. Open the Azure CLI, or use the Cloud Shell in the portal. Run the related command to create a resource group. Azure PowerShell. Open Azure PowerShell. Run the related command to create a resource group. Each method will create a new resource group that you can use to organize and manage related Azure resources. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video and haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment on our videos, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. In comments you can share the topic of your interest. Our team will prepare the video for you.